Welcome to acuity Connect, a no-code platform that integrates the apps you use and automates your workflows. In this video we will integrate Google Sheets with Acuity scheduling to automate workflows between the two apps. We will choose a trigger from Google Sheets and then an action from Acuity scheduling. Please watch the video till the end. Start by selecting Google Sheets as your trigger app. Next, choose a trigger event. This is the trigger event that will initiate the flow in Connect. Select the one that will fit your needs. Now select Acuity scheduling as your action app. Next, choose an action event. This is the event that will initiate the flow in Connect.